In this video, we're diving into the screen command, a powerful terminal multiplexer that allows you to manage persistent sessions. The screen command lets you run multiple terminal sessions within a single window. It's especially useful for keeping your work going, even if your network connection drops. It is a terminal multiplexer for persistent sessions. The screen command is a terminal multiplexer that allows you to run multiple terminal sessions in a single window. One of the best things about screen is that it creates persistent sessions, meaning your work continues even if your network disconnects. You can detach from a screen session and reattach to it from anywhere, picking up right where you left off. Screen also allows you to share your terminal sessions with other users, making collaboration easier. You can even split your terminal into multiple regions, each running its own session. Before you can start using Screen, you need to install it. The installation process varies slightly depending on your operating system. For Debian or Ubuntu, use the command sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install Screen. On CentOS, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, or Fedora, use the command sudo dnf install Screen. Arch Linux users can install Screen with sudo pacman-s Screen. If you're using macOS, you can install Screen via Homebrew with the command brew install Screen. To verify that Screen has been installed correctly, run the command screen double-version. This will display the version number of the installed Screen. To start a new Screen session, simply type Screen in your terminal. This will launch a new session with a default name. If you want to give your session a specific name, use the command screen-s followed by the desired session name. Once you've started a Screen session, you'll find yourself in a new shell that looks just like your regular terminal, but with all of Screen's features available. To detach from a Screen session, press Ctrl+A followed by D. This will leave the session running in the background. To reattach to the most recent detached session, use the command screen-R. If you have multiple detached sessions and want to reattach to a specific one, use the command screen-R followed by the session name. Managing your Screen sessions effectively is crucial for productivity. To see a list of all currently running Screen sessions, use the command screen-ls. This will display each session's ID and name. To find a specific session in the list, you can use the command screen-ls, pipegrep, followed by the session name. This will filter the list to show only the session you're looking for. To terminate a detached session, use the command screen-x, -s, followed by the session name, and then the word quit. To remove all dead Screen sessions, use the command screen-wipe. To reattach to a session if it exists, or create a new one if it doesn't, use the command screen-d, -r, followed by the session name. To attach to a session that's already attached elsewhere, allowing multiple users to view the same terminal, use the command screen-x followed by the session name. Window management is where Screen truly shines. All Screen commands begin with a prefix key, which is Ctrl+A by default. To create a new window within your Screen session, press Ctrl+A, followed by C. To switch to the next window, press Ctrl+A followed by N. To switch to the previous window, press Ctrl+A followed by P. To switch to a window by its number, press Ctrl+A followed by the number of the window you want to switch to. To see a list of all windows, press Ctrl+A followed by quotation mark. To rename the current window, press Ctrl+A followed by capital A. To kill the current window, press Ctrl+A followed by K. To split the display horizontally, press Ctrl+A followed by capital S. To split the display vertically, press Ctrl+A followed by pipe symbol. To switch between split regions, press Ctrl+A followed by Tab. Screen's copy and paste mode allows you to easily transfer text within your terminal. To enter copy mode, press Ctrl+A, followed by left square bracket. Once in copy mode, use the spacebar to start your selection. Move the cursor to the end of the text you want to copy, and press the spacebar again to end the selection. To exit copy mode without copying, press Escape. To paste the copied text, press Ctrl+A, followed by right square bracket. While in copy mode, you can use the H, J, K, and L keys to navigate, similar to Vim. You can also use the arrow keys for navigation. To search forward, press /, and to search backward, press $. You can customize the screen command's behavior using a configuration file located at /.screenrc. If this file doesn't exist, you can create it. Here are some useful configuration options. To disable the startup message, add the line startup message off. To set a larger scrollback buffer, use the line def scrollback followed by the number of lines you want to buffer. To display a status bar at the bottom of the screen, add the lines hard status always last line and hard status string. The string value defines what will be shown in the status bar, including the host name, window numbers, and current time. To enable mouse scrolling and selection, add the line term cap info x term *t, I at :te at. To set the default shell, use the line shell $$ shell. To automatically detach on hang up, set auto detach to on. To disable the visual bell, set vBell to off. To change the escape key to Ctrl+A, add the line escape circumflex AA. To define initial windows that automatically start when you launch screen, use the screen command followed by options like title and the command to run. To apply settings to a running session, press Ctrl+A, and then type source space /.screenrc. The screen command is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of situations. One common use case is running long running processes. You can start a command that takes hours to complete without worrying about connection drops. The screen command is also great for remote server management. You can maintain persistent SSH sessions to remote servers. For collaborative work, the screen command allows you to share terminal sessions with colleagues for troubleshooting. You can also use the screen command for monitoring. You can keep multiple monitoring tools running in different windows. Some modern alternatives to screen include TMUX, BioBoo, Terminator, and Tilix. When using screen, it's a good practice to use descriptive session names. Name sessions based on their purpose for easy identification. When stepping away from your terminal, use Ctrl+A, X to lock your screen session. Customize your configuration by creating a .screenrc file with your preferred settings. Regularly use screen-wipe to remove dead sessions. And finally, memorize common shortcuts to improve productivity. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.